Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to set up PIN code in PandaDoc. So to start, open PandaDoc app on your mobile. Next, click the profile at the top left. Now from here, go down and tap on Setup PIN code. Then enter new PIN code and repeat your code. And that's it. So from here, you can change PIN code. So you can enter your PIN code and then enter new PIN code and repeat, and that's it. You can also remove pin code, so just click remove pin code. So before you can remove your code, you have to enter your pin again, and that's it. It's now deleted. You can also use Touch ID by toggling it on just like so. So do you want to allow PandaDoc to use Face ID? Just click allow, and it will use your Face ID whenever you try to open PandaDoc. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.